guys, welcome to Albert Streams. Today we are at Welwyn City on the East Coast Main Line. We will be seeing services from Thames Link, as you see right there, LNER, Great Northern, and maybe in some luck, Grand Central, Lumo, and Class 91 and Grand Central. So grab your popcorn and let's video. So coming in now is passing now is a Great Northern 387 from London King's Cross to Peterborough. See that little light up there? That's it. Nothing coming over there, so there was just a Great Northern stopping here. And I don't know why that's just there without opening the door. But here the Great Northern comes. I'm going to try and get some toes. No toes, boring forever. Guys, I'm trying to clean my camera off. If you wait a minute. Is that good for you guys? Yeah, that's good. Oh, maybe I can just do this. Nope, wrong button. That did nothing. That may work. I don't know why. Sorry. I'm cleaning the camera. I just had a McDonald's, which Queso likes. So far, there's no trains, but last time I came in Welwyn City, I saw a Class 47. There was a rail tour, so it was a tornado. But it changed at Peterborough because it broke down. Then it was just two Class 47. Then I hope this leaves because the flip is it doing here? Fire pit. Tesco. Every little place. I just put in Tesco. Why is nothing coming? Alright, we got a 717 leaving.
During periods of hot weather, please remember to carry on. If you're not well whilst travelling, please alight the train at the next station and seek help from a member of station staff. Please do not activate the emergency alarm on the train between stations, as this could delay
Coming
your
now,
Thank you.
that looks like a HS2, but I recommend it's not going to be a HS2. What is that? I'm trying to... That's a Thames Link. I don't know. Oh, it's got its things on. It might go. No, that's a Thames Link. Why is there so many Thames Links? Class 700 for... Oh, here it goes. Class 700 to Peterborough from London King's Cross to Peterborough. That's not speed. Now we got this Thames Link. That should look good. Guys, there might be not any in LNERs. You just said that. You are not staying behind the yellow line. What is that tension thing? So now coming in is a Great Northern service from King's Cross to Cambridge. I'll be calling at Welwyn North, Welwyn North, Welwyn North. I forgot. Wait, I do know. Welwyn North. Well, Welwyn Garden City, Welwyn North, Nebworth. Why is it on that platform? Stevenage, or it might not. Oh my god! Why is it on there? It's a 787. Please correct me in the comments if I said that wrong. Bad line. And anyway, if it is going there, then it will be calling up. Well, after Nebworth, Stevenage, after Nebworth, and then Hitchin. Oh, LNER. This is an LNER service going to London King's Cross from Peterborough. I'm going to try and get some tones. No tones, boring driver. If that goes, what the? If this Great Northern goes, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's good. I thought the main one was a 717. No, it's a 387. Carriage class is 422.112. Every single time oh my god, it actually is going this way. That's unusual. That looks like a HST. That is a HST because it looks like one. What the? Zoom in, I'll wait 3 times. Anyway, that's Thameslink. HST. It's HST. The hell? It's a noisy truck. Anyway, 700 going from King's Cross to Peterborough. Alright, so I'm going to have to end the video now. Like and subscribe.